choice in this matter. He said there was no choice, at least on his part. He was taking this job as a job that, you know,
this is Pink Polka Dot. I think she's the explorer. Yeah, she's out and about. And this is Pink Flower. And up there's Rainbow. Here's Rainbow. And then here is Brown Polka Dot. What do you think, Maria? Who's off and exploring? Rainbow's off exploring. I think Pink Polka Dot's been doing a lot of exploring. Definitely Turquoise is definitely a laid-back one. And Flower's just quiet and gentle. And that one's going to be a ball of fire. I'm not sure about her personality yet. It's coming. I have to give her another week till I can tell what it is. You good puppies, good puppies. Good job. What? You gonna bark at my feet? Huh? You gonna bark at me? Hmm?
Don't you run away, little missy.